Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Bitlivecoin.ltd. It was paying, but as at this morning, this is one of my accounts, and I discovered I've gotten over $50 on this account. Now I tried withdrawing the $50 and I discovered you can't withdraw the fund. Reason being that they have increased the minimum balance you must have before you can make withdrawals, and that is actually a scam, because the initial agreement or the initial information they gave to us was $50 and you could withdraw with a basic account. Now this is more than basic account. This is now okay, it's still a basic account, but the minimum balance is now $52. And if you try to withdraw this fee, you would see what they are saying. Let's try to withdraw, and this is it. They are saying the minimum withdrawal is now $250. So that means it's just like every other Ponzi scheme. It's not legit. It's not some a platform you should invest your hard-earned money on. So guys, this video is just to tell you not to invest on Bitlivecoin.ltd. It is a scam. If you invest the money on this platform, there is a very high chance you would never be able to withdraw your funds. That is the truth. In short, initially you might be able to withdraw, but over time you won't be able to withdraw. I checked them, the newly registered members platform, and I noticed that these guys are still displaying $50 on their platform. It's only when you hit the $50 then that you would get to realize that you can't withdraw. They will tell you it's $250, and I can assure you that if you hit $250 earning on this same platform, they would also increase it to maybe $500. That is who they are. That is what they are. They are cheap scammers. Imagine starter, you need $250, but if you are the basic, if you're on starter, it's just $10 to withdraw. That's to tell you how foolish and unreasonable they are. So guys, a scammer is always a scammer. That is it. So they just want you to invest. They want you to put your money on their platform. That is just the goal. That is their essence. Don't invest, I repeat. Don't invest, I repeat. Don't invest. Please use your money for better things and you'll be fine. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates, and bye for now.